The number one reason a ceramic coating prematurely fails is not the fault of the coating. It's the surface of the car has to be clinically clean before you apply. That's why today I'm upgrading our shop to this professional Bigboi Pressure Washer Pro 20. Man, this box was heavy. Okay, let's get straight into the unboxing. Okay, unboxing take 2. Woohoo! Aha! This unit calls for 20 amps of power. If you only have a wimpy 15 amp circuit, don't buy it. Okay, now it's time to test her out. Let's test her out. Woohoo! That had some report to it. Look, to get a vehicle ready for a ceramic coating that's going to last next to a decade, I need to blast away years of traffic film, iron deposits, road tar, and just general gunk. Let's see if we have the power to do that. Okay, I'm impressed. 100% better than my last pressure washer. You can't feel the power, but I can feel it, baby. Okay, now let's test her out on a rim, which is normally the dirtiest part of the vehicle. I've switched to a 25% nozzle, and I'm going to shoot this in slow-mo. By the way, did I tell you the unit came with a free foam cannon? Let's try her out. Okay, bottom line, this vehicle is now ready for polish, and then the ceramic coating will go on it and adhere correctly. So it all starts with the wash, and I have to say, I am very, very happy with this purchase. This is a real professional pressure washer, and that's it for my video. Please contact me if you need a ceramic coat in Colorado.